Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Super Beast. And we have it, the Moose Knuckle from STL Fab. We're getting installed here at RPM Muffler here in Dixon. Thank you, Jim. Appreciate it. So we're gonna grind off this old turn down and get the new titanium tip put on. This thing weighs only 1 pound. Pretty crazy how light it is, huh?
Pretty awesome, man. Did a good job, for sure.
So super excited. So let's get this thing put on and see how it looks.
I'm just going to cut it right behind that weld. That way I don't have to cut those welds.
Perfect.
And I'll just add that little section in there, weld it out, and then we can, even if you want, I can paint that black or whatever you want to do.
No, it's all right. Let's just keep it. Yeah, let's just cut it. Okay. Add a little. So the idea of what we're going to do is just basically cut this off and extend this out a little bit. So the idea is to get the tip just right to the end of the wheel well. So let's get to cutting. Too late to keep it?
Oh, yeah. I'll go for you, bud. Don't worry about it.
All right, guys, we've got it all installed. God, that is like 10 minutes. It's like no time at all. And man, it looks absolutely sick. Look at this thing. So, not that it's gonna sound any different, but get the hiss out of the new tip. And that's California titanium, baby. Like STL, he posted up on his Instagram the other day. Absolutely, Lambos aren't the only thing in California running titanium. The Super Beast has got the new titanium tip. I absolutely love it, Jim. Thank you so much for hooking me up on such a quick notice. I got this box, no joke, 30 minutes ago. And I was right down here getting it installed. So Thank you guys for sticking around for another video. Make sure you stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button down below and smash that like button. I know you guys love it. And I will link all of STL Fab's information down below. If you guys are interested in a titanium tip or in a stainless tip, he'll do them both. I'll link his description down below. But thank you guys. We'll see you next video.